When wiring an auto wash bay, several factors are critical to ensure safety, reliability, and code compliance. Firstly, consider the materials. For conduit, both polyvinyl chloride PVC and celtite are suitable. Polyvinyl chloride PVC is often used for interior runs, while celtite, a flexible metallic conduit, is ideal where flexibility is required, especially in areas prone to vibration or movement. Select stranded wire to enhance flexibility and withstand vibrations, which are common in auto wash environments. It is crucial to use watertight wire connectors and junction boxes to protect all connections from moisture. Moisture is a significant concern in car wash settings, and any compromise in connection integrity can lead to failures or safety hazards. Secondly, focus on equipment and essential considerations. Begin by identifying all electrical components within the auto wash system. This includes motors, pumps, sensors, and control panels. Each component will have specific wiring and protection needs. Ascertain the power source for the auto wash and verify that it meets the equipment's electrical demands. Ensure the power supply is stable and adequate to handle the load. Install appropriate circuit breakers or fuses to protect the electrical components from overloads and short circuits. Proper circuit protection is non-negotiable for safety and preventing damage. Provide adequate grounding for all electrical equipment to ensure safety. Grounding is essential for diverting fault currents and minimizing the risk of electrical shock. The auto wash system may incorporate a programmable logic controller, PLC, or other automation devices for control. Ensure the wiring is compatible with the control system and that all communication lines are correctly installed. Design the wiring layout to allow for easy access to components for maintenance and repairs. Accessibility simplifies troubleshooting and reduces downtime. Thirdly, consider the following tips to streamline the wiring process. Plan the layout carefully. Determine the location of all electrical components and plan the conduit and wire routing to minimize interference and ensure efficient connections. Install junction boxes at accessible locations to facilitate connections and troubleshooting. Junction boxes provide convenient points for making connections and performing maintenance. Protect connections by using sealant or heat shrink tubing around all electrical connections to prevent water damage. This added layer of protection significantly extends the lifespan of the connections. Clearly label all wires and components for easy identification. Labeling is crucial for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Coordinate with the auto wash supplier for specific installation instructions and requirements. The supplier's expertise is invaluable for addressing unique aspects of the system. Adhere to all applicable electrical codes and regulations to ensure safety and reliability. Code compliance is mandatory for legal and safety reasons. Fourthly, account for site-specific considerations. Protect wiring from extreme temperatures and moisture. Car wash environments can be harsh, and wiring must be able to withstand these conditions. Ensure that the wash area is properly drained to prevent water accumulation and damage to electrical components. Effective drainage is crucial for preventing water-related problems. Consider pedestrian traffic patterns and protect wiring from potential foot impact. Preventive physical damage is essential for maintaining the integrity of the wiring. Provide safe and convenient access for maintenance vehicles and equipment. Accessibility for maintenance is key to long-term operational efficiency. By addressing these factors methodically, you can ensure that the auto wash bay is wired safely, reliably, and in compliance with all relevant codes and regulations. Remember to prioritize safety at every stage of the installation process.